It's me again, and this week I'm being super helpful. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Yes, your favorite cousin is back and I'm mixing drinks for the family. They're busy clearing the clutter out of their house, and since I don't do moving, I'm helping in my own special way. I call this little miracle pleasantly numb, and I even made the supreme sacrifice of leaving out the wine. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum, 1 ounce reposado tequila, 1/4 ounce Grand Marnier, 1/4 ounce vanilla liqueur, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and top with a splash of prosecco. You're welcome. So that's it for today. Ms. Velveteen will be back on Thursday with another live happy hour, and I hear there's some great music involved. I gotta get busy mixing another round of drinks since I'm all about helping, but I'll see you again real soon.